Welcome. If you want to remove your LinkedIn address on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so you can keep your personal information private and your profile up to date. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your LinkedIn preferences and privacy options. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several sections. Click on Account Preferences. This is where you'll find all the options related to your personal details. Under Account Preferences, look for the section called Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to open up more options about your profile information. Now, scroll down until you see Edit Contact Info. This is where your address and other contact details are stored. Click on Edit Contact Info. You'll see your address listed here. To remove it, simply click the Remove or Delete icon next to your address. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove your address from your profile. Confirm your choice. Once you confirm, your address will be deleted from your LinkedIn profile. That's it. Your profile is now updated and your address is no longer visible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.